The God of Israel is bringing the Jewish people back out of the deserts of our exile. He is restoring us back to our own land. So I prophesied as he commanded me, and the breath entered them, and they came to life and stood on their feet, an exceedingly great army. And he is about to make us come alive, to place his Spirit within us, and to turn us into a mighty army, as was spoken long ago by the prophet Ezekiel. We've been called to help in this process, to prepare, to train, and to quicken this army in the calling and challenges that God has laid out for us in his word. Welcome to the Ezekiel 37 Institute.